Hello guys, this is gonna be our first ever
No team's
animal
actually the best.
Нет,
company
там только что.
video.
Well,
We're gonna be mining with
Portugal.
my friend, who likes mining for some reason.
Yo, look at me here in the hangar. Canada.
Yeah?
I'm disappearing. They're gonna burn you.
Guys, let's all get dark. I think he's using mods. I think Doc's using mods, baby.
Baby, 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 I'm a...
Okay, I don't think he's online. Only these people are online.
Guys, I think I launched Doc.
And does it make my arms look longer by any chance when I do this? It looks like it makes my arms shorter. So this is gonna be my first animal company video. I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna be mining.
Who else got their game updated?
And I'm gonna make.
Who else had their game to get updated?
Guys, who wants to go mining? Who wants to go mining? Blue, do you want to go mining? Blue, do you want to go mining? I don't think I have voice.
You'll see me in it. Hold on, you'll see it in a sec. Hell yeah, man, let's go. I haven't mined in a while, hold on.
Me too. I normally do this with my friends. I'm normally go mining with my friends, but not that much people. The mining.
Oh wait, did they change something down here? Did they change something down here? No,
Yeah.
they didn't. Okay.
They did, I think. Oh, there's still the mining. Finally. I mean, yes, there's still the
My game
mining.
was updated.
I think my game's updated. Blue, wait for me. Wait for me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this silver.
You asshole. Why do you do that to traumatize me, asshole? You little shit, I will kill you.
Oh yes, finally, I found it. Oh,
I just farted. I'm mentally retarded.
what? Oopa dee doo.
What?
Everybody join code WK if you want to go mining. Join code WWK if you want to go mining. Join code WWK if you want to go mining. Join code WWK if you want to go mining.
Whoever kills me dies.
I'm leaving mine. Join code WWK if you want to go to mines. Join code WWK if you want to be in a video. Freaking scared.
Oh.
I have not played this game for a long time. I forgot I had this much.
Wait, what? Wait, what item? Guys, what item should I get? The pogo stick or the trident? Should I get the pogo stick or the trident? I don't know which one to get. You bum. You bum is wild. Toys. Pogo stick. I pooped up in a booty fart.
What? Oh my god.
Wait, how much do pogo sticks even cost?
I do not know.
1,000. Hey, give them back!
Bro, I have more than that. I literally have more than that. I'm literally able to buy so many guns with that. Let's go hunting, shall we?
Let's go hunting.
Gun and a
Gonna go
gun.
999. People.
Man, can someone do a massive giveaway? I'm really broke.
Me too. I'm really broke. I don't have ammo.
I can't. Sorry. Sorry, but I can't.
Let me buy it. Let me buy this.
Yeah, this pogo stick is mine. Don't take it.
What are we fighting about? We're fishing, aren't we?
How did I miss that? No! Guys. Not even the other guy.
Hey guys.
Oh my god, me! Oh my! Help me! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I'm sorry.
I'm getting white, not you. I'm getting white.
Oh wow!
Oh no! He's having gone to the void.
I came to punch you.
Team. Guys,
Ow! No, you're hacking. I'll put it behind
Team.
if I get the bars.
Are you guys duking it out?
Yes, we're fighting. I just killed all of them with
Let me
a
get a
gun.
weapon. Let me get a weapon.
You can just mine them.
My snowboard now. Look. All you have is a knock. Why did he? Why did I not juke him? Let me just break some ankles real quick.
Orange field.
Yeah, sure, I'll go.
Ankles, I'm really breaking his ankles.
Yeah, sure, I'll go.
Oh, ankles.
It's a scam.
I'm breaking his
Don't
ankles.
fall for it.
Yeah,
He's just gonna throw it down in the sewers.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it down. Let's go.
What the heck?
not
How the
go
heck?
in?
How the heck?
Why can I not go in?
Abu, what?
Alright, guys.
My camera.
Oh, you
How
allowed
can I not
to
go in and let him
attack
out?
me in. Oh my
All
god,
of
you're
the guys
weak.
saying,
Those hands are weak.
cheating or something. But it's not.
What the fuck
How are you not dead?
He's
Oh,
in
I
sixth
forgot.
zone.
Oh my god. You wanna die. You really wanna die. He really wants to die. Evo, get away! You! How dare you, chubby of a snail? Well, a guy might look like chubby of a snail.
Bro, wait for.
Eggy. Yeah, bro, can you buy me a whole?
Ooh,
Alright,
they
you know
all
what
have
time it is.
guns.
Bro, wait for me.
I don't have it.
Wait for me.
Buy me a whole. Everybody.
Holy guacamole. I killed them all.
Bro, nobody.
I killed them.
Oh my
I killed them all.
Buy one.
This will be the day that all my money goes away.
Oh, bro. I got him again.
Well,
What goofy on chaos?
What's going on in this lobby, bro?
hey Booga.
That's what's happening.
Yo.
What?
Ready, good?
You killed me one shot.
Hello.
But we're the one who's getting all these guns, so you guys are basically stealing my money.
Blue's red watch. Dark Blue's red watch. Oh no! Oh, flip on red watch. Green.
Bro, I'm on good.
What the heck? How did you attack me? Now I'm safe. I'm in safe zone. You can't attack
Nah,
me.
you're red watch. Red watch. Red
Oh,
watch
wow.
equals you can't survive in safe zone. Red watch. He's red watch. Red watch. What? Red
What the
watch.
heck? Boo, what the heck?
Watch.
What the heck?
Watch. Green's red watch. Green's red watch. Kill him. Green's
Why
red
leave my
watch.
cops
Kill him.
alone? Leave my cops alone.
Hey, light green. Light green. Light green.
Why are you killing me? What did I do? What did I do? I just
Light
shooting you
green.
guys.
Green, come with me. Why?
Wow.
I know you're a labu.
You have my labubu. Let's go hunting.
I'm gonna friend you, Green.
Yay!
no,
I have a friend. Like I don't have millions of friends.
I friended you.
Okay.
Why do you even add me as friend? I've done nothing. Now every lobby. You even send me a friend request.
it's triple K.
Oh my god, it's triple
Oh,
K.
I think you added the one
triple
person
K.
as friend, cause I can't see any friend requests.
Kill Ryan, he's red watch.
Scan the.
I think I
you
have too many
creatures.
friends.
No, you don't.
Not the artist hat. Not the artist hat.
Nah, bro got bombed.
Oh my
Not the artist hat. The one of the.
My name is
creature without it attacking
Let me
me.
send you a friend request.
I've waited like 14 days.
I'm
I've
Goofy
waited, like,
Angelfish with the
Add
box,
friend.
which is
Okay, I sent you a friend request. Now I want to go hunting.
I got you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's mine.
Bro. Hello, Blue. Hey, Blue, die! Say goodbye!
Lol, I hit him twice.
Don't ask me to get shot.
My location. Red watch, guys. Guys.
Red watch. Red watch.
Red watch! Get the red watch!
Help me.
Oh my god, I'm out of bullets. Get away. Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh my god, help me. What the heck? Let me just break your ankles. Some ankles broken.
Me.
Oh hell!
Watch out. You guys have just killed me. You guys want to do a video on like killing red watches? Like there's a red watch who killed
Yes.
like someone, and then we all kill him. And
Guys, who wants to be in a video?
Slay. Code is G5. G5.
Okay,
I'm gonna join.